In BNA, I'm a super over here. We get that mono say BNA. Or can you Mbaffé coffee or BNA in Paris? If it BNA have a football field, man, you got to know BNA. Or million Baba could need to get. I know if I did put up about China.
Ebosianfo, you are welcome to the Ghana Nsem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Demolitions, also. Demolitions. Microphone private developers, being citizens, beer, or motor assassin, being almost sit down or baby, no. You break it down, you break it down almost stretches. Ada intia, above forever. Now, when said demolition, some I thought the beer, I try to, I don't want to play politics with it. I don't play politics with it. But you cannot help but play politics because of the disposition and some of the things I can afford to me share in impa mo catch the brand na yekoto aba and na ye me ya me dream why ya me ya. I can't think far, I can't think madness. One, we share video where man na okasa no yo hini or see onu otunaba ma NDC. Now, as I'm working meeting, I say, I understand him. Him saying so to number my NDC, no understand him. Do you know why I understand him? Because the kind of campaign message NDC for no or modern no. It was as if we NDC na so again near. Udi ekotwa abama NDC. Utu abama NDC ni we now tise joma ama winning no. Ghana no emra bia ni hobium ni a open na obeye. Utiasie. And I'm not surprised, say, or he be or baby, he bought into that same meet or koto abama NDC ababa mono. Or yeah the wrong thing, crying. I said, sit down with the wrong place, crying. Abino need the right to come and demolish it. And then number one. Number two, Dr. Mahamudu Baumia, Bema, the who fair, suggested some solutions. And I say, even started the process. Number one process, they say, on say, Uncle be break or toss I say what Ghana ha. I boom mukosia. You can go and buy one land, no. That same land has been sold to 4 people. And I say, you can go and buy land, no, not knowing that land, no. And yes, I say, yeah, ton. And I said, no, knowing that land, no. If the baby, I got on a coin wall. And I got a canyon, I boom, I got mile. I say yeah, waterway. At the air then over time no. Who see dino cry? You have to break it dino down. What I say? Now, so because of that, no see we have to bring in a measure that will allow say people can lands to be registered. And to koto asase, you don't just rely on the word of mouth of nipa auto asase. You can go to Lands Commission with the plotting of the land, the location of the land, and I said the GPS location of the address of the land. No, who call Lands Commissioner, you'll be able to know for sure. Say, land way it has been registered in this person's name. This is the rightful owner. This is the person you should be able to buy from. If it has been sold already, you know that this land has already been sold to so and so. So that ukoye wujumadin awuye. Now save you sika. Now say, oh, emra to say, open say, will sit dying. You will not be found wanting. Or do sika come fraud.
The exercise, which took place at both the Tema and Sakumo Ramsar sites, faced resistance from some developers. They argued that they were not properly engaged by the authorities ahead of the demolition.
Somebody is talking to why you push. What's happening to you? They're talking to you. Wobe shipoko wa machuko yenu. Wa bife wa ghetto me yejemi. Nim BNA, I'm a super over here. We get that mono say BNA. Or can you Mbaffé coffee or BNA in Paris? If it BNA have a football field, Ma, you got to be an FA. One million car Baba Kuni to get. I know if I did, but I'll be about Chemino. Never be Misanico. See, I budgeted that to destroy my case. You know money that I spent over here. Billions upon billions. It's a day before to my NDC. My for to NDC. NDC Babu. Ever tell me in be.
O tún akẹ́nà àbá náà wà kún mọ́ akẹ́yẹ́ ìwé ni.
Meanwhile, the managing director of the Tema Development Corporation, Courage Makafui Nunekbeku, stated that all developers constructing new structures on the Tema and Sakumo Ramsar sites had been cautioned to halt their work. According to him, many developers have ignored these warnings, leading to the demolition exercise. He added that Wednesday's operation marks phase 1 of a series of actions aimed at ensuring the protection of the sites.
We have engaged them by way of announcement. I was at the site personally. In fact, I'm barely about 2 weeks in office. But when I assumed office immediately, the first thing I did is to come to the site from here to Sakumono, engage some of these developers and let them understand that what we are doing is going to cause problem when the rain starts. Apart from when the rain starts, it's not good. These sites are reserved sites for a purpose. Yeah, this is phase 1, of course. We have a program. We have a detailed plan for this area, and it's not going to be a one-day something we are doing.
According to the Tema Development Company and also the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council, this is the phase 1 of series of actions that will be rolled out to ensure that developers are prevented from building on the Tema Ramsar site. Reporting for Channel 1 News, I am Philip Ni Latte.
As a scam. And I say on kotos asibia, satis o build you see would die. Na soldier for, na say police for. Na maba say there be, maybe I say there no one, and you're the right place until mumbe bubu die no. All these things are things that NPP was trying so hard to prevent. But can afford sharing them. And I'm say there be a mumpe proposal be say they are okay. Say over the last 8 years under MPP. Now I didn't cross over TPP say landguard. Because the process, everything was being streamlined. Everything. We were having a system that was being streamlined. That laws were working. Okotos asibia, onim sasasi wenu, eye we die. Oni say wenu, eye we die. Wenu eso ko hwe, oko won anyway. And I say wenu, or anyway na be ma permission. All these things were things that were being done by the MPP government too. But Ghana fought Kasa or Mumpe. Or Mumpe. Ye ka ya musi or Mumpe. Asembe na yanka. Musi or Mumpe. Afedie. Musi wako to abama NDC enti omunja na ye na Mumpe. Ene ope. Debut. Na sasa sino. Slay Queen sa ma ye line ewo ho. Omo kill mo omo twen se ombe dis assassino free mu nsem na omo di che omo for free no enye bi ni o hwe na unem crofo omo line mo NDC big men now omo do omo sika campaigning for NDC omo invest sky into NDC campaign omo twen se oh ansa sia kitikiti no government aban be di free mu nsem na o de ama omo rank en fa no omo doso Q no wa kofo bebre e online nim obia pe ne obenya free aban nim e na kofo bebre so a mo invest o musika and this I would ne awye for and this no kan say wa campaign ama ho na say wa one corner one na say wo yire ni mma say o mo koso abama jo mahama e na mo koso abama jo mahama say no na ultimi ye ya e na aba akoto ye kra wo ni record e bia one chat video say una utwa abama ndc ni Uwa video no kura obi amfa because say ni amopedo omanya ewie omo aban mu. Isi obe ni den. E bubu dan. Uhwe se na nkofo omo walls. Se na soldiers we ni policemen we. Omo serious am push 1 2 3 4 eh na wo no na ehwe go for investment. Ye koti a o se wa utu abama NDC. Ye county, Debbie, now obey. All the no semo, now say, hurry, Mecodia, betons you, wah, papa, wah, any money. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.